Hello everyone. Do you know how many tons this massive vehicle can carry? The journey begins deep within the earth, extracting the iron ore essential for steel. From molten iron, the strength for giants is forged, starting the journey of the Caterpillar 797F. Raw steel for the Caterpillar 797F takes shape, a crucial first step. The journey begins transporting massive components across the heartland. Precision is paramount, as massive steel castings are meticulously positioned. The foundational frame begins to take shape, a testament to engineering excellence. Precision begins as robust steel castings are meticulously shaped for the behemoth's frame. Skilled American machinists ensure every tolerance is met, guaranteeing the utmost quality. Each cut is a testament to engineering precision built to withstand extreme demands. Colossal robotic arms begin the intricate process of laser welding, forging the very backbone of the behemoth. Multiple robotic arms work in perfect synchronization, ensuring unparalleled structural integrity. These powerful welds fuse steel into an unbreakable structure ready for extreme stress. This skeletal frame, once completed, will support payloads exceeding 400 tons. The completed mainframe emerges a testament to advanced manufacturing and robust engineering. Skilled American hands prepare the massive frame for the crucial manual welds, ensuring structural integrity. Each weld is a testament to human precision, reinforcing the colossal structure for its demanding future. Quality control ensures every weld on the colossal frame meets rigorous standards. Enjoyed the video?
A little
Hit
to the
like,
left, slow down.
subscribe, and turn on the bell
Got
for
it.
more.
Looks aligned now.
This engine is a testament to meticulous engineering built to power an industrial giant. This 20-cylinder, 4,000 horsepower monster engine is engineered for relentless performance. Ready for integration, this engineering marvel will soon power the world's largest mining operations. The heart of the behemoth, a 4,000 horsepower engine, is prepared for installation.
Hook is secure. Check the tension.
Ratcheting up now, looks good.
Bring it down slowly now, just a little further. Hold it there. All right,
With
clear the
utmost
bay.
care, the
Moving
colossal engine begins its slow, deliberate
left. Confirmed,
ascent.
left clear. Watch the clearance on the far side. All right, let's get this moving slowly now. Watch your spacing.
Copy that. Making sure the path is clear down here. You're good to proceed.
The immense frame of the Caterpillar 797F stands ready awaiting its powerful core.
Okay, easy now. Just a fraction to the left. Perfect, hold it steady.
Yes, she's
The
seated.
powerful engine finds its home within the frame, a testament to precision manufacturing.
All right, well done, everyone.
Technicians meticulously connect the vital fuel lines, ensuring precision and strength for the colossal engine. Complex electrical systems are expertly integrated, bringing power to the heart of the machine.
Get up, Tracer.
Coolant hoses are installed, preparing the engine for the intense thermal demands of its future work. Precision engineering begins as the robust transmission prepares for integration with the colossal engine.
Hold it
An
steady.
overhead
Watch the
crane
clearance on the
carefully
right.
lifts the massive transmission, beginning its journey
Moving
toward
it
the
forward
engine.
Slowly.
Easy now, just a fraction left. Hold it there.
With utmost precision, the transmission approaches its final position, ready to join the engine.
All right, bring it
Massive
down 5
components
inches,
are
hold it right there.
precisely maneuvered into place, a testament to engineering and
clear to
skilled
set.
hands.
Little to the
With
left.
painstaking
Hold it right there.
accuracy, the heavy axle housing is secured, forming the backbone of the formidable machine. Each connection is critical, preparing the behemoth for its incredible power in challenging tasks. Precision engineering builds the colossal stopping power needed for the world's largest trucks. Specialized oil is then added integral for cooling the immense heat generated during braking. Each component undergoes rigorous scrutiny to meet the highest safety and performance standards. Hydraulic pressure is then applied, simulating operational conditions to verify flawless function. Skilled American workers ensure every connection on this behemoth is perfect. Every component is torqued to exact specifications, ensuring unparalleled safety. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. With all checks complete, the behemoth is ready for its next critical phase. Precision engineering carves massive steel plates, shaping the formidable dump body of a mining giant. Skilled operators meticulously supervise the advanced robotics, ensuring flawless execution.
Bring it
Precision
down
hangs with the
slowly.
raw
Watch the
strength
alignment
of
on the
steel.
far side. Easy contact.
Massive machines sculpt steel with unwavering power. Every angle checked, ensuring flawless construction. Skilled American welders meticulously forge the colossal dump body of the Caterpillar 797F. Robotic precision ensures the structural integrity required for extreme payloads. Each weld is a testament to the dedication to structural integrity and quality. Piece by piece, the custom tilt design takes shape, built for rapid unloading. Every component undergoes rigorous inspection to guarantee the Caterpillar 797F meets the highest standards. Precision is paramount, ensuring each Caterpillar 797F is ready for the world's toughest mining environments. Precision and power combine as the massive Michelin tire is carefully secured. Skilled technicians ensure every component aligns perfectly, a testament to American craftsmanship. The final immense tires are secured, ready for the truck's rigorous operations. Giant tires weighing thousands of pounds are meticulously positioned for assembly.
Easy now.
Skilled
keep it
hands
steady.
guide the colossal tire, ensuring every
Almost there,
millimeter
push on
aligns
3.
perfectly.
1, 2, 3.
Industrial torque wrenches begin the critical task of securing the massive tire to the axle. Precision is paramount when securing components supporting over 400 tons of payload. Every lug nut is precisely tightened to exact specifications, ensuring peak operational safety. These monumental tires are critical, requiring unwavering attention to detail during assembly. Massive machines demand precise fluid management for peak performance. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Every fluid is meticulously checked, ensuring optimal operation.
Torque on the main
Skilled
housing
American
looks good.
workers meticulously
All right, let's
secure the
prep for the next
4,000
section.
horsepower engine into its colossal frame. The powerful C17520 engine prepares for its monumental first start. Precision is paramount. The colossal 797F undergoes rigorous hydraulic hoist calibration. With hoist calibration complete, the focus shifts to the truck's responsive steering system. Every system is meticulously checked, ensuring readiness for the mine's demanding conditions.
Okay, confirmed.
With final approval, the colossal 797F is ready for the world's most demanding mines.
If we
In the
disconnect
shipping
here,
prep
the
area,
weight
skilled
should shift
technicians
evenly.
begin the meticulous
Agreed.
disassembly
Let's
of the
secure
giant
this
haul
section
truck.
before we move to the tires.
The first of the colossal wheels is carefully detached, a testament to its immense scale. Precision and teamwork are vital as more wheels are detached for transport. Next, the monumental dump body is prepared for its journey. The disassembled components are now ready for transport to the mine site. Giant components are carefully loaded for their journey.
Okay, easy
Each
now.
massive
Down
part
another 2
requires
feet.
meticulous handling and
Holding steady on
precision.
this side.
And lock it in. Looks good.
The convoy begins its carefully planned journey guided by pilot vehicles. Each section of the colossal machine is transported with precision and care.
Keep an eye on the rear overhang around this curve. All right, let's get the crane attached to the designated points.
Confirmed. Points A and B are clear.
Keep an eye on the wind. It's picking up. Easy now.
Precision
Watch the
is
clearance on the left
paramount
side.
as immense sections are carefully
Slowly
lowered into
lower.
place by
We're
skilled
clear on
crews.
this end. All right, bring it down slow. Watch your spacing.
Clear on this side, boss.
Set the wrench.
Every joint is meticulously secured, ensuring the truck's legendary strength and durability. The behemoth takes shape, ready for the relentless demands of the world's toughest mines. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. With a thunderous roar, the fully assembled Caterpillar 797F begins its vital work on the mine's demanding haul roads. The colossal 797F maneuvers into position, ready for its immense payload. With its massive load secured, the behemoth begins its relentless journey.